so you make sure that every single corner of your block is covering ink. All right. If you think that's enough, I will give you your paper. Okay. Okay. Just like that. And just turn it the other side. Very good. Then grab it. Always your paper from both corners and bring it down slowly, slowly, and then grab this. Put your hand, your tips of your fingers over here, and then start making enough pressure. Go in circles, back and forth. But make sure that you're making pressure so your ink is gonna transfer to the paper. If you need help, just let me know. Ready for the review? Okay, again, from both corners, start pulling up. Come on, slowly, slowly, come on. Yeah, you're good, you're good. Go ahead, come on. Let me see.
Perfect.
Oh, okay, came out perfect. Good job.
Let me show.
Oh my God.
Show it too.
Now, you want a pen? You want it?